ito guys, no? It's cow's milk. Gatas po ng baka. Cow, ganun, cow. Kambing ba yan?
Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry.
Hello, what's up guys? So, may ngadlaw once again. So, nandito na po kami sa milk station na Barili, Cebu. Okay, so, yun. Ayan guys. Yun, ayan guys. So, stop over. Meron daw dito fresh milk. At saka ice cream, no? Gatas ng kambing. Okay, cow's milk ba yan? Or gatas ng kambing. Sige guys. Sulod me guys, sulod me. Follow us. So, follow the protocols, the guidelines. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Soak your hands. The next is wash hands. Where's my... Pa ako ang camera ko. Nya, ma'am. Malpat mag-order sa mo ito. Ito sa mo ha. Ako palitin ko kasi. Go. Picture sa daw may guys bago mag-order guys. Ayun, ang lamig dito guys. Para kaming nasa ano guys, nasa Baguio guys.
Parang nasa Baguio.
Shan, anong feeling mo Shan? Nandito ka na sa ano, station ng Barili?
Anong feeling mo? Nakalimot ko na kung feeling mo.
Ay!
Feeling great.
It really hurts.
It
Yun na.
really hurts.
Ginagawa mo. Right, so napakalamig dito guys. So full of forest. Among model si Don. Hi Don. Yes. A very supportive brother. Yan talaga yan. And Tinets, Tifebs.
Hello.
Yes.
Balik na.
Nandito na kami guys. Sobrang lamig dito. Mag-order kami ngayon ng ice cream at saka gatas. Ito yung mga products nila guys. Estino Milk Station. This is ours. So 8 to 5 p.m. Dairy product, milk and so may cow's milk, Carabao, ice cream, chocolate, cookies and cream, available flavors, cheese, Boco Panda and vanilla. Cow's milk, doha,
Lagi.
ice cream,
Yeah. Ay, ice cream nga pa ng
si mama mo? Ha? Coffee cup. So ano? Mama mo? Mama mo? Oh, babi. Chocolate anak ka? Sila din. Oh. May na din sila bukong. Napakalamig dito guys. Maraming langgam. Ostrich. Mama ni mo basin ganahan. Tanaw raman ko. Oh, lang is eating ice cream. Anong flavor?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Cow's milk?
Yeah.
It really hurts.
Yummy. Cow's milk.
Pole. So ito guys, no? It's cow's milk. Gatas po ng baka. Cow, ganun, cow. Kambing ba yan?
Sorry. Sorry na.
Masarap pa to. So open po natin siya guys. langit, no? Sarap talaga, guys.
Na, malanay na.
It's a refreshing, guys. Malamig po, fresh. Cow's milk, no? Dito talaga sikat to, Barili Milk Station, guys. Famous milk. So, toyokon. Kamote! Ha? Manlok mo? Angit kayo? Yay! So, napaka-refreshing dito, guys, no? Napakaganda ng view, and then, marami po nag-stop over ngayon. Pictorials lang yung iba. Tapos, bumili kami ng cow's milk. Napakasarap.
Cow's milk, guys. You want to drink?
What can you say about the cow's milk, Rashan?
It's delicious and
It's clean. You like the taste?
yes.
So, yung na mag-picture. Tapos, ano?
Sir, what is it?
Daming tao dito, guys. Oh, marami pa na stop over dito. Kasi, ano naman, famous, no? So, ang lamig, malamig ng hangin dito. Okay, may nagmo-modeling po dito sa, ano? Sa kakahuyan. Ako na sabi. Okay, guys. Andito na kami, guys. Sarap yan.
Cow's milk, guys. Ice cream. Chillin'.
Palit ito po.
So, guys, basically sila sip-sip. Gibit-bit kanina. Gibit-bit kanina. Kanina ito gibit-bit.
Na tayong dalawa. Super delicious yumminess, guys. Super sarap, guys. Napaka-yummy. Fresh. Fresh. Halagang 100 pesos, guys. Bibili nito. Fresh. So the protocols is to wash our hands. Yan yun, wash our hands. Wash our hands, guys. Oh. Milk station. So refreshing, guys. Fresh air. And along the highway going to Bareilly. Sarap. So, ito namin guys. Alis na po kami dito. Because we're going to Moalboal pa. So, time check. It's 10:25, okay? Kaya pa? Babush!